In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana on Phantom Wallet. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here the swap option that we can see. Second swap, and then from in there, you can utilize and then just enter in here the number of Solana that you want to swap. For example, let's put in here 1, and you can see in here the conversion of that onto the currency that you have selected. So you can click onto this currency right here and then change it into whatever you want. It can be Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, or anything that you want for this. For example, let's choose in here this wrap BTC, and then you should be able to see in here the actual conversion for that. After that, you should be able to see as well the provider as well as the conversion price. Like 1 Solana is equal to this particular BTC. They have in here this 5% commission, which is the slippage settings, and you can put that right here. Then after that, you can confirm that and then just click onto the swap option right here in order to swap that.